Now in my terminal, to use the Bitcoin CLI, I can simply type Bitcoin-CLI along with a specific command. To get some blockchain information, I can simply run Bitcoin-CLI get blockchain info. But as you can see, this fails because the Bitcoin D that starts up the node and keeps it running in the background is not launched. I'll go ahead and launch the Bitcoin daemon and run the command again. I'll keep the Bitcoin D running in this terminal session and open a new window to run the Bitcoin CLI command. As you can see, the command now goes through and returns the blockchain info. Just a note, if your node is still syncing with the network, then give your node some time to get up to date with the latest blockchain info. What you see here is a short summary of the blockchain running on my machine with the latest block ID. Using the block ID provided in this JSON, I can further query the blockchain to get the transactions that are part of this block and also get previous block of transactions.